So this slide shows a pretty nice picture of neritic sediments. Now neritic actually means of the land. So the size and location of these sediments are going to be closer to the land than the pelagic sediments, which are of the sea. So neritic sediments are found near continental margins and islands, and the sediments are directly eroded from rocks transported to the ocean by rivers. So as you can imagine, the larger the particle size, the more energy it takes to move this particle. So like we said before, the further you get offshore, the smaller the particle size. As far as a neritic sediment goes, you can see that the larger particles are left near the coastline and the beaches, and the smaller ones are transported further away into that mixed zone of pelagic and neritic sediments. The deposition rates for these are really variable. Some of them, like in rivers, for example, they can settle 25 feet per year. And in continental slopes, which are just off the coast, it's much slower, of like 4 inches per 1,000 years. So the difference in sedimentation rate is wildly variable. But they still all are within close proximity to the shoreline, relatively speaking. Generally from the continental shelf or the continental slope, it was midway down the continental slope and back towards the shore.